Hey guys, this is all what we're gonna need for the almond streusel. We have some almond, whole almond, and some almond powder, and some flour, all-purpose flour, and brown sugar, and some salt, and butter. So let's go ahead and mix everything together. Okay guys, we're gonna put our sugar and the butter. We'll add salt. Then I will add sift flour. Mix it up a little bit. And just like that, and they stop. Then I add almond powder. You can put all the ingredients together in the same time, but I like to do it this way to see how's thick, how's coming nicely. Then I stop here, then I add the almonds. Perfect. So the almond is the last one to add. Just mix it up a little bit like that. Stop the machine. Beautiful. Guys, now I will bake it at 180 about 25 minutes, 20 minutes. So you keep your eyes in it to take the gold color, just gold color. Don't bake it too much. We'll be ready. So see you in a few minutes. Okay guys, after 15 minutes I will just mix it up a little bit. Then we'll add there for another 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Just to make sure it's not burning from the bottom or the top. This drizzle is very delicious and nice, especially when you mix it up with the futin and almond praline or hazelnut praline and some chocolate. So guys, if you like to comment below, what are you using this drizzle for? So actually this drizzle you can use it for so many things. For the filling of the cake. Also you can use it for the filling of the bonbon, chocolate bonbons. Also you can use it for decoration. You can decorate with cake or whatever. So here you go. So just make sure the small pieces come in nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna put it back to the oven for 5 minutes. Okay guys, our streusel are ready. So after you cool it down, you can use it like I say. When you mix it up with chocolate, you can use white chocolate or dark chocolate. Also you can use almond praline or hazelnut praline, and some oil, a little bit of oil. I will share the recipe with you guys in the end of the video of this recipe of almond streusel, then of the mix if you wanna use it for the filling of the cake or whatever. Thank you for watching guys. Have a good day and see you in next video. Take care.